All right, so I'm getting ready to put my boat in the water. I got the straps off. First thing I do is come over here, turn on the trolling motor, and go grab the remote. So I keep my remote right in the bag with the fish finder. So here's the remote. Turn it on. Okay. Wait till it syncs up, which it already is. Double check it with the deploy. It's working. Pause it. Stow it. All right, it's ready to go. There we go. There we go. In the water, and off she goes. The trailer out.
I'm gonna get over here. You gotta go park up there.
Grab the remote. Now, as she floats away, let's hit deploy. Lever goes in. Now, anchor. And there she will sit until I get done putting the trailer away. All right, so now I'm back from parking the trailer. Just bring the boat over to us. We'll go for a ride. Please don't step on my the fishing bag. Ready?
Yep.
Go ahead, hop on. Where we going? In the boat? In a second. I'll turn that motor back on. Let it take us out away from the dock. Start it up and we're good to go.